Hello, hello. This is Samantha from Consignment Chats, one third of the beautiful ladies here. Only one beautifulness for now. I'm on here because I love eBay's new social sharing options. And I know I talked about them, shared some reels, did some things back when they were first introducing it. It was in beta phase. It was awesome. And it got better. Like I didn't know it could, but it did. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys and I'm going to show you. This is for if you have an eBay store. So make sure you get an eBay store. Okay, so I did some for Pinterest there. And I had to come back. This is like my 789th take of Facebook because I didn't scroll down far enough and see a really cool feature that I want to make sure you guys know about. So you're going to go to your seller hub, the base of everything. If you don't know where your seller hub is, Google it. It'll give you the link to your own. It's great. Go to marketing. And here is the social tab. It's also here on the left, right here. It will pop up every time you go into your marketing tab and say, hey, use me. Social's great. So once you're here, you're going to scroll down here. And this is where I have my accounts linked. Instagram was being weird, wouldn't link. I'm going to try it again. But for right now, I did a Pinterest video. Go and check that out. And then I'm going to do Facebook again. So I've got my Facebook. I'm going to come up here to create post. I love so many things about this. They really did great. So I'm going to pick Facebook. So you can pick up to 4 listings for Facebook. I did just try it for Pinterest. Go see how that worked out. But for Facebook, you can do up to 4 listings. You can do it by category. You can just share your store. You can share certain promotions and things that you have going on. If you wanted to share a coupon or make a special thing that you want to blast out there, you can do that. I'm going to do listings and I'm going to do jacket. And we're just going to share, we'll just share those 2 winter jackets. Remember, you can do up to 4, you can do 1, whatever makes you happy. I'm going to do 2. This is the point where you could pick if you wanted like a different photo. It brings up all of the photos from your eBay listing. And I'm going to stick with the cover photos. I like those. You can use AI caption. You can type your own, but like these are great. They give you hashtags. They give you just great descriptions. I really like them. Yeah, I really like these. So we're going to pick that. You can add hashtags if you want. I always got to throw out there that Michigan winter, man. It's worse than everybody else's. I swear. You can add more. Even if you had typed your own, there's all these suggestions down here for different hashtags. And then this is the part I didn't see earlier, and I had to redo this whole video. You can schedule a post. So you could come in here, you could do your listings for the day. Say you do 10 listings in a day. It's great. You could go through here and pick 1 or 2 for each day of the week and have your Facebook social media scheduled and done. Scheduled and done. If that's all you like to do is just throw your products on Instagram, you can do it. You can just schedule them and done. I love it. So you can pick a date, you can pick a time. It's got tips and tricks on here. It tells you to do it during when followers are more online. It doesn't tell you when that is though, so I don't know how helpful that is. So you can schedule it for now. I'm going to schedule this one for tomorrow since I already did one today. And I like to do mine around the lunch break. Oh, this is PST. My local lunch break would be 3 p.m. then, Pacific Standard Time, I think. And we're going to schedule that post. Beautiful. It's going to bring you back to the status page. So it has a spot for scheduled. These are what's upcoming. It has the ones that have already published. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks for people on Facebook. I'm going to view a post here and it goes right to Facebook. Love it. So there's my AI thing that I picked the other day, my hashtags that it picked for me. And then I had selected 4 pairs of winter boots for this one. And then at the end, it puts your store, your general store. So they have lots of things that they can click. If I click on this pair of boots right here, Brings you right to eBay, right to my listing. I love it. We're going to click on my store, this last one here, and it should bring you right to me. Yes, right to my store. Ooh, don't look at this store. I need to make my categories pretty. I need to make my store pretty. So I think even on a recent episode, we talked about that. Do we believe in stores and if people shop them like they are stores? I am not a firm believer in that, but if I'm going to be sharing these things to social media, if I can share my store, I can share items and it still has a link to my store, people are going to be shopping it more like it is a web page in a store all in itself. So I'm going to need to go over and clean up them categories, guys. I'm going to need to do that. I'll have to add that to my accountability list. Whew, okay. All right. Make sure you check out all the links below. Subscribe to us, follow us, whatever you got to do wherever you're watching this. And like I said, I have another one that walks you through Pinterest. I'm going to work on getting my Instagram account set up so we can do that. If you have anything else you want to see, this was something that was suggested to us. Tell me, what do you want to learn about? What do you want to see? And one of us or all of us will make a video on it and we'll help walk you through it. So thanks for joining, and I hope you have a good day. Go check it out.